Hi everyone, my name is Sierra and I'm doing the sheep heart dissection. I've already done the dissection part. Honestly, it was probably the hardest dissection I've done because it was so tough to cut into. But I think I managed to cut into it enough so that I can show you the parts, identify the parts of the heart for you. I do have my list of parts to identify, so I will be glancing at this. I'll try and put it in an easy visible spot. Okay, so here is the sheep heart, the whole thing. Okay, and so this side right here is going to be the right ventricle, and this side over here is the left ventricle. This bottom, kind of like the tip, is the apex of the heart, which is ironic because it's at the bottom. And then this is the coronary blood vessels going across right here, this kind of diagonal line. And then the auricle is these ear flap like little parts on the heart right here. Okay, and so with the right side of the heart, we have the right atrium right down in here, and then on the left side, which I think is a more interesting side, has a lot more going on, you have up in the top here the left atrium. It's really hard to video on the laptop. And then you have the pulmonary artery, which, let me see. I thought I found these ones already. Oh, oopsies. The pulmonary artery is right back in here. The choroid tendinae are these way in the back. There's these string like little cables back in there. That's them. Then the papillary muscle is kind of attached. It's down in here. Attached to the choroid tendinae. It's back in there. And then the atrial or the bicuspid valve is on the left side, and I accidentally sliced it, but it is down right here. Accidentally sliced it, but it's in the back. It's a little flap. So yeah, and then also from the inside view, this is the this is the left ventricle, and down at the bottom, that is the right ventricle. I'm trying to get the best light. And yeah, that's all of the parts on the sheep heart that I needed to identify. Yeah. Thank you for joining me.